Hello, good afternoon, railroad fans, Cajon Pass. Hope you're all doing well and had a great week. Well, Sunday's almost done. Buddy and I went out today for 2.5 hours. We got 9 really good trains. Some days are like that. It was just boom, boom, boom. Yesterday we went out for 5 hours and I think we got 5 trains and it was all work. So some days are better than others. What can I say? We hope you like what you see today. Please subscribe to the channel. Give us a big thumbs up. Share with your friends. Help us out on Patreon if you can. We've got the link in any description. We have Super Chat and Super Thanks. We want to thank all those contributors. Keep us going strong. We can't do it without you. Okay, everybody, have a great week. Enjoy the videos and leave some comments. We love you, and we'll catch you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye. Power EG44 C4 in the rear there. Hey, railroad fans, Cajon Pass. We're at the mill. Ardent Mill in DeVore. Happy Saturday morning. Got a Z train eastbound, main track number 1, 73.4 on the milepost. I'm on a dead-end siding here, so I'm safe. They'll probably be pulling the grainers out of here today or tomorrow. Looks like they're empty and ready to go. The tunnel motor's not working today, so looks like they got all the grain cars empty. They'll bring the new ones in either Sunday night or Monday or Tuesday. Take these out of here today or tomorrow. I came out to film them picking them up one day and it took a couple hours, and you think you're just going to get a quick video and you don't. Everything takes time. Two sets of piglets there. Be nice if we had a train swing around the outside here. We're about due for one. That's main track number 2 and 3 there. Getting all their trucks relabeled yellow instead of YRC. Yeah, they're covering that YRC up with this right here. It's interesting how they left a big blank spot on the bottom of that logo.
About 15 from here, 1-5.
Yellow and UPS piglets. We know you like what you see. Please subscribe to our channel. Give us a big thumbs up. Share with your family and friends. Help us out on Patreon if you can. You'll find the link in any description. We have Super Chat and Super Thanks. We really appreciate the contributions. Help keep us going strong and living our childhood. second childhood. All right, we love you guys, and we're going to catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Take care.